This comfortable two-story townhouse in the highly sought-after community of Hamlin Reserve is a true gem. The townhome boasts a spacious 1,568 square foot floor plan, offering plenty of space for comfortable living. The main floor is an entertainer's dream. The large living area is perfect for hosting guests, movie nights, or relaxing after a long day. The upgraded kitchen is a showstopper, featuring gorgeous granite California counters, a convenient USB charging station, and stainless steel appliances. The island provides additional workspace and seating, making meal prep and hosting a breeze. The second floor features 3 well-appointed bedrooms, with space for everyone or those who enjoy entertaining guests. The bedrooms are conveniently situated on the upper level, providing solitude and separation from the main living areas. The owner's suite is a true sanctuary, offering a large walk-in closet, front-facing windows, and a premium bath with a spacious walk-in shower. The back patio is a true oasis, upgraded with pet-friendly turf and plants and durable outdoor flooring. Its fence, providing an intimate area to enjoy the outdoors or expand your entertaining. The perfect spot for enjoying the fresh air with your pets or guests. A 15-SEER HVAC and large energy-efficient windows add to the comfortable feel of this home, creating a relaxing atmosphere for those lucky enough to call it home. The rear-facing 2-car garage provides easy access to your vehicle, making coming and going a breeze. The community of Hamlin is one of the most desirable in the area, offering quick access to the 429 or 08 Turnpike and Walt Disney World. This townhome is a must-see, offering exciting community amenities and a prime location.